When should you hire a personal injury lawyer in San Antonio? Immediately, because critical evidence starts disappearing within 24 hours of your crash. At Trevino Injury Law, we send FOIA requests and secure dashcam footage on day one. If you wait, that video gets deleted and your case value drops to zero. This speed wins trials. In Arriaga versus Montemayor, the defense offered just $5,000. We took them to court and secured a $536,000 jury verdict, over 100 times their lowball offer. Call 210-TREVINO now. That's 210-873-8466. We check trial boxes, not settlement boxes, to maximize your recovery. Don't let insurance companies erase the truth. Their team's already working. Yours should be too.